Hi there. Today I'm going to show you guys how we can create a citation design in Photoshop. Okay, so some people requested for this and I've been lazy for a long time, but today I just decided to do it for you guys. Okay, so these designs that I'm working on, okay, so this is a book that I'm working on. You see the order of service, and I'm going to place pictures here. You can see the other details over here, and the book cover is here on my another laptop. So this is the book cover that I have created for this. All of this is going to be on my digital store. Okay, so if you don't know my digital store, so when you come to Google, just search for all template paste tag. Then you click on the first link, all template paste tag. Click on the first link and it is going to open this amazing digital store for you, where you are going to have access to flyer like this, a funeral poster, a funeral book, and also check the education, send off citations, and more designs. So this is a t-shirt design as well. We have receipt template here, invoice as well, and we have a lot of designs over here, more than 100 or more than 200 designs. And also I'm going to upload more because we have more on this one as well. This is a cover. I have about 100 templates that I have to add as well, but time is not on my side. But when I get time, I'm going to upload all of that. So this is also a funeral t-shirt that I am working on it. So at the end of the day, it's going to look like this. And if you want a tutorial on this one, okay, so this is the actual design and this is a prototype. So if you want a video on this one as well, let me know in the comment section, okay, and I'm going to do that. So let's create a new document. Ctrl+N to create a new document, and we are just going to create a simple design for a citation. So let's say we are designing it in A3 size. I'm going to click on A3 and we have our canvas. Okay, then from here I'm going to select this a rectangle 2 over here, and I'm going to just create a shape just like this, and I'm going to fill it with a color. So we can just change our color over here. Blue is nice, so we can go with something like this. Then I'll click on OK. The next thing is I'll look for a pattern. Okay, so let me come here and let's go to free pick, okay, and search for pattern. Okay, so this is where most of the times I download some of my files. Okay, so let's say we want this, so I'll click on it, just right click and copy this, come and paste it over here just like this. Okay, but before that we can just use the selection tool over here to select the white. Okay, so what I can do is that make a copy of this, then let's go to channels and let's select the one that we are going to get most of the colors. So I think this, Ctrl+L and bring on this one. Okay, levels. Okay, and we are going to try to differentiate between the black and the white. Okay, so this is amazing. Then from here we can hold the control key, click on it to make a selection, go back to the color, and then we can delete this one. Since we made a duplicate, we can just make a copy of this and you can see that. Then from here we can add a color to it. Let's say we can choose black, blue, whatever that you want. So let's choose something like blue like this, a light blue like this, and we have our pattern. So I can increase it all the way and also change the blending mode, okay, to fit this. So if you want to change the blending mode is not working because of the color overlay, so we can just convert this one to smart object and you see that the blending mode is now working. Okay, so we can choose something like this and reduce the opacity. All right, let's create a new canvas, or let's create a new blank layer, and then with the help of the brush tool we can just make the brush bigger, and then let's select a lighter color like this, and we are going to dab in the middle once like this and make it a little bigger. Okay, then from here we can draw a shape just like this. Then I'm going to center it. Okay, By the way, I am working on a course, okay, a course for typically focused on designs, okay. So I'm going to walk you through different designs on maybe citation. Maybe we have at least 5 designs, then we move on to funeral stuff. So by the end of the tutorials or by the end of the class, you'll be fully equipped with how to come up with difficult situations in designing, okay. Like you are going to know a lot about design. So if you like, you can join the course, okay. You can just pre-order the course, okay. Pre-order the course. I'm going to leave a number on the screen, or find a way, DM me and pre-order the course. So immediately it's done, you are going to be the first people to have access to. Then from here, you see that I have just created shapes over here, and I'm going to fill here with a white color, and also I'm going to add a gradient on this one, okay. So a gradient, you want it 0 degrees for the angle. So 0, not this one. So come back here, 0 for here, and then here is supposed to be normal. Let's open this one, and I think I have a gradient here that I would like to add. So click on OK, click on OK. Then let's say this is the image that we want to add. So I'm going to look for the image. So I will just click and drag that into Photoshop, and let's position it somewhere here. So what we are going to do is that right click on it and rasterize the layer, and then we will click on, let's select subject, okay. So let's do select subject for the first time. All right, let's wait for the outcome, then Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, hide this one, okay. And I'm going to just position it here. Not anytime that you are going to have access, like not anytime that you are going to have easy removing the background. Sometimes you have to do it manual by using the pen tool, okay. If you don't know that, it's in the course that I'm creating, so just be aware or pre-order the course, okay. So if I have some logos here, I'm going to add it here. So let's see if I have a logo. Okay, I have this logo. So let's add this logo. So first of all, I'm going to reduce the size for this, position it here, and I'm going to type some name here. So let me see who I'm working on a citation for. Okay. So let's say this person. Okay, I'm working on a citation for this. So let me download this, open it, and let's open the document. So let's open the document, and let's copy some information from here, okay. So the name of the school didn't come, but no problem. I'll just copy the name, come here, and then the name of the person is going to be here, just like this, okay. We can make it all caps, and also maybe the name is going to be here. We are just going to change the color, okay, and type in the name. All right, then from here we are going to write citation, okay. And I'm going to pick up a font, okay. So I think this one works, so something like this. And then let's make a duplicate of this, reduce the size a bit, and change this text. So I think I have a text here. No, I don't have. So let me type in Anna. Okay, and I'm going to position this one here. Let's make this one a little bigger, just like this. Then let's see, portfolio is going to be here. Five principal. Okay, just like this. And we want to differentiate this one and this one. So let me make this one bold and make this one a little bit smaller. Okay, so that when you immediately see, your eyes will go to the name and later come on here. All right, then the next thing is to pick up the text tool. Okay, and then we are going to draw something like this. Then I'm going to copy the text here. So this is the text for the citation. I'll just copy it and come and paste it over here. Then I'm going to leave some spaces in between them to make it more easier for reading. Okay, so having paragraph is a great way for you to have words read easily. So let's increase this one to, let's say, 15, a little bigger sizes, and let's make it 16. Okay, let me reduce the size a little bit. Let's say 14 will do. All right, then Control O to fit everything to screen. You see how very simple we are able to come up with this. Okay, so imagine if I sit on this one for about 30 minutes. See what is going to happen to this design. We are going to add further information, like we are going to add more designs to it to make it stunning. So what we can do again is to, let's say, remove the white on these edges because I don't want it, and then let's right click and convert this one to smart object, blur, Gaussian blur, and let's blur it something like this. You can bring this one here, so let's increase the size, and we can send this one backwards, all the way backwards, just like this. And we can change the angle as well. And if you want to increase the blur, you can just double click here and let's say 10. No, that was too much. Let's say 10. You see, we can bring another one here, make it a little bigger, and let's blur this one, let's say 15. And you see how we are turning this design to look more stunning. Okay, so there are a lot of things that we can do to this to achieve more. So what we can do again is to corner this edge. Okay, all right, and yeah, and also we can write something like, are you cool? All right, so something like this, and we can get a font like that as well to achieve the results that we want. So these are some great ways you can go about achieving designs like this in Photoshop. Okay, so don't forget to come to our digital store, search for our template, and come here and get more template from our store to achieve your designs. All right guys, see you next time.